if f dash of x it is equal to 1 upon x plus x, 1 upon x plus x, f dash of x is equal to 1 upon x plus x, and f of 1 is equal to 5 upon 2, f of 1 is 5 upon 2, then f of x is equal to, here a answer is log x plus x square upon 2 plus c, here instead of plus c, here constant is 2. B answer here log x plus x square upon 2 plus 1. C answer here log x minus x square upon 2 plus 2, and D answer here log x minus x square upon 2 plus 1. Now see here we have f dash of x that is equal to 1 upon x plus x, and f of 1 here given 5 by 2, then we have to find f of x. So we take here f of x by taking the integration of this f dash of x. So f of x is equal to integration of f dash of x dx. F dash of if we take the integration of f dash of x, then we get f of x. So here it is equal to integration of, now put the value of f dash of x, that is 1 upon x plus x and dx. Okay, so here integration of 1 upon x dx plus integration of x dx, we separate the integration, and now here it is integration of 1 upon x, it is log x plus here integration of x dx, x to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 2 plus constant of integration. When we take the integration, we put always constant as c is the constant of integration. So this is f of x. F of x is equal to log x plus x square upon 2 plus c. Now answer should be here log x plus x square upon 2. This is the common. Here log x plus x square upon 2, and this c and d is not answer, because here log x plus x square upon 2. Here also log x plus x square upon 2. So correct answer depends upon what is the value of c. So for that purpose here we have given f of 1 is equal to 5 by 2. So we put x as 1. So f of 1 is equal to log of x as 1 plus here x as 1, that is 1 square, it is 1 upon 2 and plus c. And now here we write the value of f of 1. F of 1 we have given 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is equal to, we know that log of 1 is 0, and this plus 1 half plus c. Now carry this 1 half, so 5 by 2 minus 1 half is equal to c. So 5 minus 1 5 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to c. 5 minus 1, that is 4, so 4 upon 2 is equal to c. So 2 to the 4, so c is equal to 2. The value of constant is 2. So c is 2. So here if we take c as a 2, then correct answer is log x plus x square upon 2 plus 2. So here plus 2. So A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Now next problem here, integration of sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x, sin square x into cos square x dx. And the answers are here given. A answer here tan x plus cot x plus c, tan x plus cot x plus c. B answer here tan x plus cosec x plus c, tan x plus cosec x plus c. C answer here minus tan x plus cot x plus c. Minus tan x plus cot x plus c. And D answer here, D answer tan x plus sec x plus c. Tan x plus sec x plus c. Now we have to find which is the correct answer. So we call this as I is equal to integration of, now here sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. We divide this sin square x by this denominator and to cos square x by this denominator separately. So we get here sin square x get cancelled, and so 1 upon cos square x minus here cos square get cancelled, so here 1 upon sin square x dx. And now it is equal to integration of 1 upon cos square x, that is equal to sec square x minus 1 upon sin square x, here it is cosec square x dx. Now here it is equal to integration of sec square x dx minus integration of cosec square x dx. So what is the integration of sec square x dx, or sec square x is the derivative of tan x. We know that derivative of tan x is sec square x. So integration of sec square x is tan x minus, now we know that cosec square x is the derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x, and so here integration of cosec square x is cot x, but answer start with c, so we take here minus. This minus and minus become plus, and plus constant of integration. So answer is here tan x plus cot x plus constant of integration. So A is the correct answer, tan x plus cot x plus constant of integration. Now we see here next problem, integration of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon here e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. And the answers are here log of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus constant of integration. B answer here log of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus constant of integration. C answer here log of e to the power 2x plus 1 plus constant of integration. And D answer here log of 1 plus e to the power minus x plus constant of integration. These are the 4 answers. We have to choose which is the correct answer. Now consider this I. So I is equal to integration of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. If we check here answer, all answers are given in terms of log. So we have one formula, integration of in the denominator f of x, in the numerator its derivative, then it is equal to log of f of x. Since in the answer all we have given log, so we must use this formula. We have to check whether the derivative of denominator is in the numerator. So firstly we check whether derivative of denominator is in the numerator. So d by dx of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, it is equal to derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Now here plus sign, derivative of e to the power minus x is e to the power minus x. But here minus x, so we have to take again derivative of minus x, and we know that derivative of minus x is minus 1. So we get here minus 1. This minus 1 into plus, this become minus. Okay, so d by dx of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, it is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. Now see here, this e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is in the denominator. So in the denominator there is a function and its derivative appears in the numerator, so we use this formula, that is integration of here e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, and its derivative is in the denominator, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. And so we take its answer as log of function always in the denominator, so log of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus constant of integration. So we check whether this is the answer. So here log of e to the power x, here minus sign, so this is not the answer. Now log of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, so B is the correct answer, because in these two, here log of e to the power 2x, here 1 plus e to the power minus x, so C and D is not answer. So answer should be A or B, and in B we have here denominator here, this denominator here, and so correct answer is B. So using this formula, integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx, so we have to check which is the function and which is its a derivative. Now here next problem, integration of e to the power root x into cos of e to the power root x divided by root x dx. Okay, and answers are given here, 2 times sine of e to the power root x plus constant of integration. B answer here, sine of e to the power root x plus constant of integration. C answer here, 2 cos e to the power root x plus constant of integration. And D answer here, D answer, minus 2 times sine into e to the power root x plus constant of integration. Now here observe the problem. Here problem is integration of e to the power root x into cos of e to the power root x upon root x. So solution of this, now we have to use here substitution method. If we put here e to the power root x as a t, suppose e to the power root x, it is equal to t. Now derivative of e to the power root x, it is 1 upon 2 times derivative of e to the power root x is e to the power root x into derivative of e to the power root x, and here on the x side we write dx and on the right side we write dt. Okay, now here e to the power root x, as it is derivative of root x, it is 1 upon 2 times root x dx is equal to dt. Now in the numerator here e to the power root x upon root x, here e to the power root x upon root x, here 2 is not present, so we carry these 2 on the right hand side. So e to the power root x upon root x into dx is equal to 2 times dt. So this I becomes I is equal to integration of, now here cos of e to the power root x is t, and e to the power root x upon root x into dx, e to the power root x upon root x into dx, that is twice dt. So here we write twice dt. Now take these 2 outside the integral, 2 into integration of cos of t dt. So this is equal to 2, integration of cos is sine, so sine of t plus constant of integration. And now we put the value of t as e to the power root x, so it is equal to 2 into sine of t is e to the power root x plus constant of integration. So check the answer here, 2 sine e to the power root x, so 2 sine e to the power root x plus constant of integration, so A is the correct answer.